Good afternoon. I am Kumar Ankit, the process in charge of Gel Bedwa plant of Haridwar, and I take immense privilege in introducing our factory to you. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a brief insight into the manufacturing capabilities and key people initiatives of the largest manufacturing facility of PCBB. Apart from delivering consistent quality products to our customers that we are proud of, we believe that our manufacturing facility brings in two other key elements of competitive advantage for our business. One being highest levels of flexibility, which ensures that we manufacture every product at least twice a month. Also, we believe that manufacturing has a lead role to play in creating and designing wow products for the customers. Values like customer focus, quality consciousness, sense of ownership, and excellence are the building blocks of culture of our plant, and these have been instilled amongst our employees through a variety of initiatives that we have undertaken. Now I'll hand it over to Shraddha Agarwal, our quality executive over here, who will be taking you through a few of these initiatives.
Thanks, Ankit. Now I'll take you through such initiative which we have taken in the plant. One such initiative is a regular market visit in which almost every member of our Haridwar team has at least been there for in 1.5 years. With the choice of the consumer has today, we understand how important is our quality for the product. Here we are checking the 100% of the quality in online manner, and this is the PQRS board in which we are displaying the regular PQRS of our Haridwar plant on a daily basis. It makes us proud that we are holding a leadership position in our central PQRS. Another initiative is a Quality Premier League, wherein a month-long quality focus initiative wherein almost every member was involved in a competitive series of events, projects and skits and quizzes to drive home the importance of the quality and its significance to a consumer. Now over to Ankit for some more innovation which is happening in this plant. Thank you.
Thank you, Shraddha. Apart from quality that Shraddha talked about, manufacturing-led innovation has always been an area of focus. Suspended beads in shower gels, high liquid content soap, striated soap, innovative packaging, and our own gel bathing bar are some of the examples. Of these, from my personal experience of being the process in charge of this setup, I would like to share with you our gel bathing bar technology. Our Haridwar facility is the only unit where we produce the ingenious Kyama gel bathing bar soap. The patented liquid crystal freezing technology is used to convert liquid soap into gel bars with superior transparency and exclusive shape for customer delight. Interestingly, the manufacturing process as well as the downstream machinery have been indigenously developed by us. Now I can proudly say that we understand this manufacturing process of cast soap better than anyone else. All I can say right now is we have very interesting products in the pipeline which you will be enjoying very soon. Another pillar that ITC stands tall on is flexibility, which is very critical to our requirement. Now I'll hand it over to Abhijit, who will be sharing his experience with you.
Thank you, Ankit. Currently, we are standing in the middle of OPEX soap shop floor. I have prior experience of working with other similar type of industries before joining ITC. I was quite astonished with the way flexibility has been offered here in ITC. Currently, we are manufacturing around 85 SKUs ranging from 50 kgs to around 50,000 kgs. First, we start working on reducing our changeovers, and changeovers times are reduced from 40 kgs to almost 6,000 kgs. Secondly, with our employee teams, we started working utilizing Lean and Six Sigma principles to reach almost around 80% reduction in our changeover times. That's all from here, and we'll be stepping in the conference room and we'll be happy to take your questions now. Thank you.